Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix force stop not showing in an app on Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. Okay, so this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro device and I have MIUI version 11.0 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this about phone. And you can see guys, here I have this MIUI version. You can see I have MIUI Global 11.0 installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so let me close this settings app. Okay guys, so let's start. So I will take example of WhatsApp. It could be any app in your case. So let me show you first that force stop option is not showing in my WhatsApp. So let me open my settings app and let me scroll down to apps. Okay, so here I have this apps. So let me tap on this to open it, and after that let me tap on this manage apps, and on this screen guys you can see all of your installed apps. I can see mine, so let me find my WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys here I have this force stop option grayed out. Okay, so it's not enabled. So what you need to do, you have to open the app for which you want to enable this force stop and use it for some time. In my case it's WhatsApp. So let me close this settings app and let me find my WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and let me use this WhatsApp for some time. Let me open this chat. Let me go back. And after you're done using your app for some time, you have to go back. Okay, and you have to find your settings app and open it. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to scroll down to apps. Okay, so here I have my apps. So just tap on this to open it, and after that you have to tap on this manage apps, and on this screen guys you have to find your app. So in my case it's WhatsApp, so let me find that. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys here we have this force stop option showing, and it's not grayed out. And you can force stop an app by tapping on this force stop, this button. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way you can easily fix force stop not showing in an app on Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.